top 5 chili peppers for home growing. Welcome to Urban Chili Garden, your go-to source for growing spicy plants in small spaces. Today, we're counting down the top 5 chili peppers that are perfect for home growing. 5. Thai chili bird's eye. Tiny, fiery, and packed with flavor, Thai chilies grow great in containers and produce loads of fruit. 4. Jalapeño. Mildly spicy and super versatile, jalapeños are a great choice for beginners. 3. Cayenne. Cayenne peppers grow long and thin, with a moderate heat kick. 2. Habanero. If you love heat with flavor, go habanero. These orange lantern-shaped pods are great for hot sauces. 1. Tabasco. Want to make your own hot sauce? Tabasco is your chili, growing upright clusters of small, spicy pods. Whether you're after mild, medium, or mouth-burning heat, these 5 chili varieties are perfect for your home garden. Which one will you grow first? Let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Urban Chili Garden for more spicy growing tips every week.